Come on, Ozzy. This is the first big snowstorm. It's Ozzy's first time in snow. He's crazy.
Sadie's 100 times. Hi, my name is Sadie and Daddy, show it to me. Hi, my name is Sadie and I've been in the snow for 100 years. Isn't that funny?
It is, but not as funny as this dog.
Hey, Daddy, I got in their driveway.
Good job.